So hello guys, I'm upset and I have been working with a stupid computer program. I have been working on building my own television app. It's not fucking working and it's making me angry, upset, jealous, hate, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And it's me. Well, if I'm worried that I'm gonna have a computer glitch in your brain, why should I have a computer glitch in my brain? It's fucking stupid. I don't want to have a computer glitch in my brain. There is no reason for me to walk around thinking that I have a computer glitch in my brain. Because if I have a computer glitch in my brain, somebody's going to get fucked up. And somebody's going to get killed in this bitch. I don't want computer glitches in my brain. I want my mental computer. Like, I wish my mental computer will be better. That way, if I type in like the credit card information and stuff, it won't get confused and it will process better. Like, man, would it be good if our mental computers were like that? Would it be good if my mental computer was like that? If my mental computer was to be where I can process information, I can enter in anything I want to the computer and I won't get confused. That will be a good idea. First, somebody needs to make a computer that won't get an error. Create a computer that will never get an error. Create a computer that never gets errors. I am tired of seeing errors on my apps. Errors on my television apps? Seriously? Really? How the fuck are you gonna try to put an error on my television app telling me that the TV channel cannot be played? How are you gonna put a fucking error on my app telling me that the video cannot be played, telling me that the media cannot be played? What the fuck is wrong with computers nowadays? I'm freaking angry, and I have lost it all my mind trying to worry about problem-solving software. They got a bitch trying to install problem-solving software to protect your mental computer. This is not a joke. We need some problem-solving software. Like, man, we need to go do that. Like, how are we going to install the problem-solving software onto our mental computer? We don't want to be angry all the time. We don't want to ask setup questions either. Well, you know there's a big difference between getting confused with a computer and asking Dad a setup question. The difference between getting confused with a computer and asking Dad a setup question. They are not the same. They are not the same. I really promise to God that I will have my own television app, and I will not tolerate anybody telling me that my brain is not a computer. You cannot tell me my brain is not a computer, because I just experienced something and I'm using it to figure out something right now. What is computing? What does computing mean? Computing means to figure something out. I just got disciplined by my father. I cannot figure out how to create my own broadcasting app, and I'm sick of it. I'm going to put a virus on the computer system in my brain. I'm going to crash the computer system in my brain. I'm going to crash the motherfucking antivirus program. And I mean it. I'm not freaking playing. I'm upset. My brain is working. My brain is like a computer. And good thing that my brain is like a computer, because me and Angie helped me compared the brain to a computer. She asked me what's a part of the brain, and I said the hippocampus, because I probably thought that was right. And she asked me what's a part of the computer, and I said the CPU. The brain is like a computer, just like the CPU is the brain of a computer. The brain processes information, and the CPU, the brain of the computer, is, however, we talked about that. The brain is like a computer because both a computer and a human brain can process information and calculate. I am tired of people giving me setup answers, telling me that Catherine is fiction. I already got my answer last night. So I already got my answer this night. It's nighttime right now. I already got my answer earlier. So I'm good. I'm just ranting about something else. I'm just upset about something else. The motherfucking app maker is giving me problems. I'm about to push that edge out the freaking window. When I'm having such a problem with the computer, I should tell somebody. Now tell somebody and they'll come correct it. This is not a joke. We cannot be fooling around just because we think that the computer is gonna make us not get it. Just because we think that we have a good idea of creating an app does not mean that the computer is not gonna get an error. Just because we do that does not mean that the computer is not gonna get an error. We know when the computer's about to get an error or not. I don't fucking know, but I really am worried up, tired of playing games, and I want to create the fucking app. I'm not playing. It makes me disappointed, and I disagree to all the filthiness and all the badness. However, why the fuck is it expensive? Like, come on. I'm serious enough to be able to learn how to work my own damn brain and use a fucking computer just to do that shit. No, we're not doing it anymore. We're not freaking gonna keep getting confused. I'm not gonna freaking let that bitch confuse